Hello friend, welcome back. One of the major problem, in fact unsolvable problem I would say, for which I always used to say that it is not possible to solve because of some of the restriction from the Chrome side. But now this has been solved. The cross origin iframe. Yes, we were never able to record or access the cross origin iframe through the recorder plugin or any kind of the browser extension. That was the restriction always. And I always used to say no, this is not possible, we can't capture the action on the cross origin iframe. But not anymore, we have solved this problem, and now you can record the action performed on the cross origin iframe elements as well through TestCase Studio free version as well as from the pro version. This feature is already live. Like, let me show you guys the example. If you go here on practice page, so first I will show you that what was happening earlier. So for an example, let's say you have a this iframe. These all elements are inside iframe, which are the similar like iframe from the same source origin. So if I click on this and if I perform any action here, let's say hi, here something I have typed, so you see that these actions has been captured here, and you can see that it is letting you know that what actions we have performed here. Okay, this was working. Now let me close this and go back to here, scroll down. Here this is a Google form. So basically this Google form, this form is coming from Google. So if you see that this is a cross origin iframe, of course for very obvious reason this is coming from the Google, and this page is SelectorsHub.com, so very obvious this is a cross origin iframe. Okay, now if we open TestCase Studio here and try to perform some of the action, like let's say if I click on this cross origin iframe element, this one, if I select yes here, if I select install now, none of the actions has been recorded here. Okay, so this was the problem, it is not able to record. Now let me switch to the fixed version, the latest version of TestCase Studio, and show you guys that how it will be working. So just a moment. Okay, before that let me show you, this was 1.84, the old version. Now I am switching to the latest version 1.8.5. just a second. Okay, now I have switched to the latest version, so I will open the same page, practice page here on SelectorsHub website. Go to this Google form thing. So here it is. Now if we open this, start this TestCase Studio, this is 1.8.5 version. If we perform any action here, you see that it has been captured. All three actions have been captured. Click on yes, click on no, click on install now. If we click here, it is capturing this. If you perform any action here which is element like outside iframe, that is also capturing. So each and every action is being captured. Like if we go here on which is a like similar source iframe, that is also being captured. So now it is capturing actions on all kinds of iframe, so nothing has been left. Now you can capture action on any element in your web application through TestCase Studio free version as well as from the pro version. Now let me show you same thing with the pro version. So here it has been already solved in the pro version as well, from version 2.4.1 onwards. So if you perform any action, like let me just perform this, so you see that all the actions have been captured here as well. This is the pro version, and you perform any action, it will be captured. If you perform any action which is outside, that will also be captured. In fact, pro version also supports the shadow DOM elements as well. So if you perform any action which is element which is inside shadow DOM, that also captured, and it also let you know that this element is inside shadow DOM. So all things have been captured. Now nothing is now we don't say like this is not possible to capture. Every action will be captured through both the version of TestCase Studio. And here if any element which is inside the same source origin iframe, that also, of course, like that was earlier also it was working, now also it will work. So with the help of TestCase Studio, now you can capture any kind of like capture actions on any element on the web application and easily record the steps to reproduce the bug. This is very helpful for bug filing, very helpful for test case, manual test case creation, and in the case of exploratory testing documentation and all sorts of things. You can easily get the screenshot, steps, XPath, URL of the application where you are performing the action. Very helpful. You can see that which iframe was, where you were clicking, all things you get it here. Now you will not face any challenge. Go get this TestCase Studio from SelectorsHub website, free and pro version. If you are working for enterprise company, we will highly recommend you use the pro version, and if you want to go with the free, that is always there on SelectorsHub website. Go get it installed, get it from Chrome store, installed. Already 60,000 plus testers are using. 5-star rated tool, absolutely safe and secure. We don't save any of your user data. It runs absolutely in your local. So this is the game changer now. There is no other tool out there, no other recorder plugin which can record the action on cross origin iframe. This is the very first recorder plugin out there in Chrome store, which will make it possible to record the action in plain English sentence, even for the cross origin iframe elements. Do let us know if you were facing this problem earlier with the help with TestCase Studio or any other plugin, and let me know in the comment section how useful this feature is going to be for you. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.